Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make a nice looking text squash, stretch and with ease animation. So I will make a layer called ground. So I just selected the layer and say here ground, and I will create one more layer at the top of it and call it O. So what I'm using is bounce, but for today's video I will just use B and O. So you can do the rest of the same thing to other letters. I will just make it long till let's take 29th frame, and I will also add 2 frames. So we are making a text animation, so we will need a text. So B layer is text is called B, so I will make it B, and I want a font that's bold enough. So let's see. Okay, so candle is the font. Now I will just increase its size. Let's go here and select the font size to something like 30 or take 100. Yep, 100 is better size. Or let's change it to something like 120. Now let's keep it at 100 only. And similarly we will do it for O, but before that I will align the B at the canvas, and I'll just copy the B and paste it in the O. I will just select the another one over here, and then I will make it a bit up and over there. And what it will be, so it will be O, right? As per the text it's O. Let's make it a bit up over there. Okay, now there is BO. So we will just mix up all the things that we have learned till now. I will just extend these both till the 29th frame. Now if we see, there should be nothing. If there is nothing, now if we go here, we will select the B and add the tween at the 10th frame, and select the go to the ground and add on ground. Before that, 7 size right over there. I just got a bit messed up with that. Okay, so this is our ground, and then at the B it should be coming at the bottom. So I will just select it and make it come at the bottom. Okay, so it's good. You see, just comes at the bottom, and here is the squash and stretch one. I will just do 1.2 and height as 0.8, so it gets squashed, and we'll bring it at the bottom and at the 14th frame. Let's delete this tween and just go to the first tween, press Ctrl C to copy the frame and Ctrl V to paste it, and I will select the B again, the normalized one. Okay. Wait, let me just delete it. Okay, so what we will do right over here is select the B and width as 0.1 and height as 0.9. So this time we are just squashing it again, but a bit only. So if we see it, we'll just make the first frame be one more at bottom. Okay, and right over here at top, and right over here the B should be normalized. So I will just scale it as 1 by 1 as the default, and I will just see the position that it's matching. So Y is 311.851. 311.8. Okay, so there we go. So now it's matching out. So now if you see by playing it, just squashed. But at the second one, I think it should be one frame back. And now if you see it, it's looking smoother. And similarly, like that, we'll also do it for O also. So select the O letter again, add the twins, and then bring it at the bottom. Select the O, press shift and bring it at the bottom. Okay, after bring it at the bottom, we will again just do the same for this. Add one more twin, select it, and remember that this should be matched up with it. Okay, now select it, and this time this will be same scale, 0.2, 0.8, 0.8, and I will just select it and bring it down till here. Okay, so that's a bit over there of 1 pixel, and right over here it should be again. I'll just make it 0.1, 0.9, again normalizing it, and then at the next frame it should be as normal right over here. So it should be 1 and by 1. So now if we see, so that's an perfect effect. But there's one more thing that we need to fix it up. Copy the B, go at the last, and then just bring it here where the twin ends, and just paste the B over here, and then just extend it to 29th frame. Similarly for the O also, copy the O, decrease till the twin, paste the O, make it perfectly aligned, make it a bit up, and like that, like that, it will be over. So if you see, so it's looking good, and what I'll do is just add an ease in, ease out for both of the frames, ease in, ease out. Now if you see, it's kinda better, but it's drops and squashes like that, and then just comes at the down again. Okay, so it's much better. And let's see, for the settings I will just change the background color, something like grayish. Let's try, let's see, yellow or green. Let's see how green looks. Let's try something teal like color. So that's not better. Let's try some light color right over here. Let me just take that color, it looks good. So that's better color. And one more thing, that I want to increase the FPS by 1 and say apply. Now if we see the animation, it's good. So thanks for watching.